not going to shoot an outside
That's
shot.
number 13 from last year.
Don't let her. Don't go for a fake.
Yeah. Oh, another. Easton! She's face guarding Madeline. Wait! There we go. There it is. There it is. Oh, you gotta catch it! If she catches it, it's a 3. Hit it, Presley. Short. Butt down! That's a good take. That was a good drive. Go at her. Oh. Good D, Presley. Yeah, we need a bucket. Go to Nat. Nice. Oh, that's just being strong. Hit it. Boom. Oh, look good. And 1. I mean, this team. Right. Well, look at Libby. The thing is, you have so many different coaches who teach different styles of defense. And each girl's the best player in their own team. They're usually guarding the person who has the ball all the time. Yeah. And so playing help side defense, it's hard.
It's important.
Right. Oh! Come on, that's a foul. Way to play through Nat. Close out under control. Got lucky on that one. Look at Libby. Oh, there you go. Good job, Black. It's all right. There you go. Libby doesn't look to shoot out there anymore. I know, Stephanie, right? Yeah! I heard a whistle. Madeline, tell Libby to shoot that. Tell Libby to shoot that. Slide in.
Match to the lefty.
She just took it. Yeah. Nice player. I don't know who she. Oh, that's the Beaver Dam girl. Yeah, Yeah, she's the Beaver Dam girl. That's that Jada Donaldson's sister. Can't do that though. Yeah, press! You can tell Presley's got the, haven't touched the basketball. She's got to work it through this game. Yeah, she's just got to work it through this game. Oh, Presley, let's go.
Go, good defense.
Butt down, Presley, let's go. Slide over. Pulls out under control. There you go. Good job, Nat. Box out. There you go. Hit it, Sammy. So did you sign them up for their grade, or are they playing a grade off?
I think I signed him up grade off.
Good.
I only hesitated because it was like, if you win,
Look at her go. Nice floater.
you had a chance to like go for that.
Sure.
But then I'm like, what are the odds that we're even going to do it? It's going to happen. So let's just play it.
Yeah. Hands up, Taylor.
I had fun last year. I had fun with the
Oh, that was awesome. Look, anytime they're in a gym playing,
Yep.
that's all I care about.
But I'd much rather play up. Lose a couple.
They're not going to lose, though. That's just it. Rip, there you go. Nice pass, Libby. Yeah. All right, go, Libby. He wants to bring that. Good player. I mean, whose game is she compared?
I haven't seen her play it.
Really? That's ours.
I saw her play this one. She's a defender. She's a solid player. Solid player. Maybe Sammy Taylor, maybe
tell Madeline, I'm like, this is big girl basketball. Like, you need to work hard all the time because that's what this is. What's that? Not yet. We'll wait till next time. I already know that. I already know that. I talked to her. Play low, play low, play low. That's too easy.